Welcome. Hello. This is a bit of a technical issue and a bit of a review as well. Basically, I have two iMacs here. One which is an Intel 2006, two dual core, I believe, and then a recent one that's just come out, 21.5 inch iMac, quad core. So the problem I've got is I purchased these speakers, which is obviously a Harman Kardon Soundsticks 3, and I've got them set up on my machines, and I'm having problems with the sound. When I do maximum volume on the iMacs, I get spitting of the sound break up, and it's quite noticeable. And I was wondering if any of you guys, Mac wise or speaker wise, any you experts out there who can share any light and tell me what's wrong. Are the speakers faulty? Are the iMacs faulty? But I would think it'd be hard for both iMacs to be faulty, I think. So I think it's possible it's the speakers, but you experts need to tell me. Apparently Harman Kardon, whoever makes them, can be a pain in the backside to get things repaired. So, without further ado, let's first start off with the sound quality as it is on these iMacs. I'm using Thriller, Michael Jackson song, as a test, and I'm doing it on both machines, the same song. Let's try out. I don't know if you'll be able to tell because it's on a camera, but I will try. So let's max out the volume on this, and you get to hear it from we're doing it around from 2 minutes in the song. Well, that was the test, and not a bad song, and the speakers sound pretty good. Now on the new one, I'm expecting the speakers to be not quite as good because they're not as big or as deep, because the older iMac's a bigger machine physically. So let's give this a go. Well, that sounded okay. Right, we're going to try the actual Kardon speakers themselves. Let's turn it on, and then obviously this is a setup of the speakers at present, and let's put them on and plug it into obviously the old machine, and let's test it. This is I'll put it at medium volume and then up again. So let's hear it. Obviously there's some breakup there, and I'm not sure what's happening. Let's try it on the other iMac. So I've just plugged it in again on this machine. I'll put it on to medium volume and then go up again to max. So as you can hear, the volume is a problem. I don't know what's the problem here. I try medium volume, like I hear thereabouts. Press. I'm not sure what's going on. When the volume's at a medium level, it's fine. But if I try going up to the top range, I don't expect it to be perfect, but I don't expect it to break up like that. So, in retrospect, the machine seems decent in terms of the specs, and the speakers look great, but they're not performing. I don't think they should work like that. I don't think the iMacs are faulty. Can you guys on YouTube give me any sort of indication what's happening? I'd appreciate your comments and advice. What I will say, if I've tried other smaller speakers, I don't seem to get the problem, but then again they're not as loud as these speakers, so I don't know if that's relevant. Any advice? Do you think they're faulty? Let me know. Any experts out there? iMac experts, Apple, people who work for Apple, you tell me. Or even experts from Harman themselves with regards to the speakers. Are they faulty? You tell me, and I'd appreciate your advice. And thanks for watching and taking the time to make a comment. Thank you. Bye bye.